Why drainage matters. Here's the food, and here is the drainage. We are in the food processing environment, which is literally washed down into the drainage every time it is cleaned. No wonder that 70% of positive Listeria screens are found in the drainage. It means the drainage may be the point of food contamination. Think about any traffic going over the drainage. Any standing water in the drainage or around it may be the threat to food. Speaking of threats, improper cleaning method combined with poor drainage design may end up in real disaster. So, what can you do? First, pay attention to your drainage and don't underestimate its impact on food safety. Second, visit our webpage, where you can learn about our approaches to drainage and its hygienic performance. We at ACO are committed to ultimate hygienic performance. We put hygiene first.